Hey fellow holiday artists, tonight we're going to be continuing on with the basics of inflatables. I'll be running over just the basic anatomy of an inflatable decoration, what makes it tick, and what to look for. So this is a standard 3.5 foot tall inflatable. This particular one is a Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. Components of these is the actual inflatable itself. So it's made of this PVC nylon material, waterproof, same type of material as a spring jacket. And then you have cords coming off, or securing areas coming off of the top area, and there's ones down at the bottom here as well. And securing devices, we'll go through securing devices in a different TikTok. And then the fan sucks in the air and keeps it inflated, and then zipper to be able to access the fan and do any repair work as needed, and obviously your plug. I'll give you an example as to how long it takes for one of these to inflate. It's not much time at all. And there you go, he is fully inflated. And this is a second example. It is a 12-foot Santa, has all the same main parts, same exact material that it's made out of. It's also got the same motor. However, the major difference is that the bigger the inflatable that you get, ultimately the more stability it's going to require. So once it gets above about 4 feet, I found they develop these legs onto it to help give it some stability. Other than that, it still has a zipper to get access to fix the fan. It has a plug. It's all the same standard stuff. So I debated on either speeding this up or cutting out some of the time that this takes to inflate, but felt like in the end it was useful for anybody interested to see how long it would take. But you can fast forward because that's all you're going to see here. You'll notice here that it does take substantially longer because it is a much bigger fan, but ultimately does have that extra space that's needing to fill up. And you will have to be careful about placement, because when it does deflate down to its lowest level, it does flop down to nothing, but the ways that you'll be stabilizing it will also help to keep it from completely smashing down into the ground. Getting there. And that's it for tonight's TikTok. Hopefully you got something out of it. I will be back tomorrow night to discuss how to properly secure your holiday inflatables. See you then, holiday artist.